Okay, so we already did horizontal tangent lines by setting the numerator equal to 0. Now we're going to do the vertical tangent lines, right? Vertical. Vertical line means the slope is undefined, which means 0 in the denominator. So we set the denominator equal to 0. It's easier if we solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 2y from both sides. We get x equals negative 2y. What do I do with this? Plug it back into the original. In for what variable? You replace the x now. Okay? So I'm going to plug it back into the original and replace the x. So I get quantity negative 2y squared plus negative 2y times y plus y squared equals 27. Simplify. 4y squared minus 2y squared plus y squared equals 27. We get 3y squared equals 27. What does y equal? Plus or minus? Plus or minus 3. So where do I put that y? Now I have the y value of my ordered pairs. I plug that back into the original. So now we have the y value. What do we do with the y value? Okay, we have to plug in y equals 3, and we have to plug in y equals negative 3. Okay? And these are going to give me points on the curve in which you have a vertical tangent line. Okay? So plug the y back in, right? So we get x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared equals 27. X squared plus 3x, 9 minus 27, bring the 27 over, we get minus 18 equals 0. Factor again. We get 6 and 3. The bigger number takes the middle sign. We get x equals negative 6 and 3. Again, be mindful of how you write your answers. X comma y. So my first answer is going to be negative 6 comma y value is 3. My second answer is going to be x is 3, y is 3. Okay? Now you do it again with the negative 3. Plug that in to the original, solve, find your... All right, so check your answers. These are the points on the curve that are going to give you a vertical tangent line. Okay, now is it always going to work out like that? I don't want to say always, okay? Okay, for real this time, check your answers. Now, I want to know, I want to know, and this will be part of your homework tonight. Oh my goodness. Positive 6, comma, y is negative 3, x is negative 3, y is negative 3. Now, part of your homework, I want you to find out, listen, I want you to find out, what is this a graph of? What is this original? What is that? Okay? And that's going to reveal something more about these answers that we got tomorrow. It's not a circle. Figure it out.